In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever noticed duplicate accounts with the same name in your chart of accounts, merging them is a clean way to keep your books organized and avoid confusion. This process consolidates the history and balances into a single account, so everything stays intact in one place. Before we begin, a quick note. Merging accounts is permanent. Once two accounts are merged, you can't undo it. If you're unsure, take a moment to review which account you want to keep and make sure the names truly match so QuickBooks can detect the duplicate. Start in your chart of accounts and look for the two accounts that share the exact same name. Find the one that's currently set up as a sub-account. You'll see a small caret or drop-down arrow next to that account. Click that caret to open the Options menu and choose Edit. This opens the account's details so you can make changes safely and precisely. In the Edit window, look for the checkbox labeled Make this a sub-account. Uncheck that box. By removing the sub-account designation, QuickBooks recognizes that you now have two accounts with the same name at the same level. At this point, QuickBooks will display a prompt that says, Merge Accountants. This is your confirmation step. It's simply alerting you that continuing will combine the two accounts into one. Click Yes, Merge Accounts to confirm. Then click Save. That's it. QuickBooks will automatically move all transactions, balances, and history from the sub-account into the remaining account with the same name. The duplicate disappears, leaving you with a single consolidated account that's easier to manage and report on. A couple of tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're merging the correct accounts, because the change is final. If you don't see the merge prompt, double-check that the names match exactly, including spacing and punctuation, and confirm that you really did uncheck Make this a sub-account. Also, keep in mind that the account type should be consistent. QuickBooks is best at merging accounts when their types align. With that, your chart of accounts should be cleaner and more accurate, which makes running reports and reconciling much simpler. You now know how to merge accounts in QuickBooks Online quickly and confidently.